If you're receiving a lot of messages on WhatsApp but not coming up with new clients, the problem may not be the offer. It may be what happens on that first reply. Today on this video, I'm going to show you how to build a system that can reply for you, but not only that, it asks the right questions to your client so it keeps following up. Many businesses believe that managing WhatsApp is just answering the first question that came in. When someone asks you something about your product, maybe your price, how is your service, they may not be ready to buy yet. Maybe they are just comparing some options. And when the conversation comes with a closed answer, all the next effort comes to the client. To understand this, I'm going to show you an example. For example, this client is asking which is the price of the service. So I answer, yes, it costs $50. That's a closed answer, and it's really hard to tell what's next. But I'm going to show you right now a better reply that keeps the conversation flowing. So the client says hello, and then AI system says, hello, our German cruises cost $65 per month. Would you like some details on a specific level or the class schedule? This second reply does more than provide just information. It moves the conversation forward. And this is what the system do. So here are the 3 moments where the leads are lost. The first moment is the no response. This first moment happens even before the conversation begins. The customer sends a message, but nobody replies until 20 or 30 minutes later. The second moment is when you don't give direction to your client. It happens when the business replies, but the answer is too short or too close, and the customer has no reason to continue the conversation. And the third moment is the non-follow-up. Probably this is the most common. Is when the customer stops replying and the business assumes that they are not longer interested. And maybe you're wondering right now, I don't want to be 24/7 on the screen answering clients. So here is what you need to do. You need a good system to follow up. And a good system does not mean just to be sending annoying messages all the time. It should do 4 things. The first one is the quick reply or the instant reply. When the client sends a message, it should be replied instantly. Number 2 is understand what the people need. The system has to understand the question that the client is asking to provide better information. Number 3 is ask the question that moves forward the conversation. It should not be a closed question. It should be something that can keep the conversation flowing. And then number 4 is the follow-up. When the customer gets distracted or stop replying, the system can send a message, a very beautiful message, a follow-up, like an elegant message that is not annoying, but is trying to know if the client is still interested on your product. So here comes the more interested part of the video. This video is brought to you in collaboration with MessageMind. So I'm going to show you real conversations that I'm having right now with this powerful tool. First, you need to prepare some kind of things for your business, because the first step is not connecting your WhatsApp. The first thing is design what the AI agent needs to know. You should include information such as products and services, prices, opening hours, locations, frequently asked questions, policies, appointment, booking process, situations that requires a human agent. And this is pretty easy to train inside your MessageMind app. Include all the real information of your business, approve information, and set the limits to your AI bot. For example, if you have a clinic, the agent may be explaining opening hours, helping the client how to make the book appointment, but it should not be providing a medical diagnosis. For online stores, maybe you can explain the availability of the inventory, sizes you have, or if they have like a complaint, it should be transferred to a real person to attend the problem. One of the features I value the most is that automation does not remove your control. You always can take control on MessageMind. When there is a special negotiation, complaint, an urgent thing, you can always step into the conversation and reply yourself. After that, you can return the conversation to the AI so it can continue helping the customer. The goal is not necessary to replace the team, but the goal is to stop spending hours on the screen answering the same questions every single time. And this is pretty important because all social media had one inbox and you have to be jumping between all the apps all day. But here you can centralize your conversation. On MessageMind you can have your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook, have everything just in one unified inbox. It's easier to make the follow-ups, it's easier to answer your client, and it's easier to know even which social media is giving you more clients. So the main difference is not only the faster replies, the instant replies, also that every conversation now has a very great next step, a follow-up for your client. And another huge difference about MessageMind between other apps, the answers feel really natural. It feels like talking to a real human all the time. Your clients cannot tell if they are talking to you or talking to the bot. And I think here is the core value of MessageMind, because when you talk like a human, when the AI talk like a human to you, you can appreciate, you can feel the value, and you can feel that you're having a real answer. Of course, all of this pass for a very great training on the AI lab MessageMind has. You can tell the AI to talk like you, so it can feel even more natural. So if you're losing customers on WhatsApp, maybe you need to check the systems that you have right now to answer all the clients. So I'm going to give you a task. Go and review the last 7-day conversations with your clients, the last 7 days you have, and try to see if you are answering your clients with a follow-up question, or you're giving close answer to your client and is not giving a follow-up. Try to determine whether which times is taking you or consuming you when you are answering a client. For example, if it's taking more than 10 to 20 minutes to answer one question. And if you really want to scale your business, give your clients clear answers with follow-ups and having more free time, you need to try MessageMind. And if you came till this part of the video, I'm going to give you a gift. $50 credits to try MessageMind right now. You can click on the link below. It's going to take you to my affiliate link. You can use that $50 credits and start using the platform. Try it. But first, the most important thing is to train the AI as I show you on the video. And subscribe to Mentora, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to build this 24/7 system customer service. And don't forget to try for free MessageMind with the link below.